Hello guys, welcome back to another episode from How to Webmaster. And we've all seen in the past text to images or text generation by AI, and what you're seeing right now with this SUV speeding on a dirt road in the mountains right here, this is actually 100% generated by AI. This is the latest and greatest text to video AI generation tool by OpenAI called Sora. And here is the prompt, and you can see the absolutely immense powerful video generation that OpenAI provides. So here's another video right here, again generated 100% by AI, and you can just see how beautiful, high quality the videos are. And this is definitely a revolutionary step towards video generation by AI. Just absolutely stunning, and I'm really surprised that this type of video generation is already happening. And at the moment it is not available publicly yet, but soon it will be. And here's another one, a prehistoric footage of the California gold rush, and I'll leave the links down below for you guys to check out all of these AI generated videos by Sora. And here's another absolutely beautiful video of a tour of the art gallery in a museum. And last but not least, of course, we're gonna end it with a cute doggy. Alright, be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more AI tips, tools, and reviews. Thanks again, and happy YouTubing.